Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to maximize your earnings with Bybit bonuses. And remember, if you decide to sign up, use the referral code KAKA to unlock some fantastic bonuses. Let's get started. Bybit offers several types of bonuses to enhance your trading experience. Let's break them down. First up, we have the welcome bonuses. These are specifically for new users who sign up on Bybit. When you register and use the referral code KAKA, you can get a 20 USDT coupon instantly. Plus, there are additional bonuses that can add up to 5,000 USDT. Next, let's talk about referral bonuses. Bybit has a great referral program where you and your friends can earn rewards. When you share your referral code, like KAKA, both you and the person you refer can earn bonuses. It's a win-win. Bybit also runs periodic promotions and campaigns. These can include anything from trading competitions to seasonal bonuses. Make sure to regularly check Bybit's Rewards Hub to stay updated on the latest promotions. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process to claim these bonuses. Step 1 is creating an account. Head over to the Bybit website or download the app. Click on Sign Up and enter your email or mobile number. Create a strong password and make sure to enter the referral code KAKA to qualify for the bonuses. Once you've created your account, you need to complete the KYC verification. This involves uploading a photo of your ID and a selfie. This step is crucial for unlocking all features and bonuses on Bybit. To qualify for the deposit bonuses, you need to make a qualifying deposit. Simply go to the Assets section, choose your preferred cryptocurrency, and follow the instructions to deposit funds into your account. To participate in Bybit's various promotions, check out the Rewards Hub on the platform. Here you'll find a list of ongoing campaigns and tasks. Complete these tasks to earn additional bonuses and rewards. It's important to understand the terms and conditions associated with these bonuses. Some bonuses may have specific deposit requirements or trading volume conditions that need to be met before you can withdraw them. Always review Bybit's detailed terms to ensure you comply and make the most out of your bonuses. Here are some tips to maximize your bonuses on Bybit. Always use the referral code KAKA when signing up to unlock the best bonuses. Stay updated with Bybit's Rewards Hub to participate in the latest promotions. Complete all necessary verification steps promptly to unlock all available bonuses. Engage in regular trading activities to meet any volume requirements for withdrawing bonuses. Besides the bonuses, Bybit offers a range of additional features to enhance your trading experience. These include various trading options like spot and derivatives trading, staking, and liquidity mining. Bybit also has a mobile app that's available on both iOS and Android, making it easy to trade on the go. Plus, Bybit offers extensive educational resources through Bybit Learn, helping you improve your trading skills. To sum up, Bybit offers a wealth of bonuses and features designed to enhance your trading experience. By using the referral code KAKA, you can unlock these bonuses and start your trading journey with an added advantage. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Bybit, sign up using the referral code KAKA, and start maximizing your earnings today. Thanks for watching Crypto Kickstart. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy trading, keep your crypto game strong, and your wallets even stronger. See you soon.